Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Understanding the Performance Impact of Appending Objects to Python Arrays. Introduction. Appending objects to a Python array is a common operation in many applications. However, it's essential to be aware that the time complexity of this operation is not constant. As more items are added to the array, the time it takes to append new elements becomes linearly slower. In this tutorial, we'll explore why this happens and discuss potential alternatives. Background. In Python, the list type is commonly used to represent arrays. The list.append method is used to add elements to the end of the list. While this operation is generally fast, its performance can degrade as the size of the list grows. Understanding time complexity. The list.append operation has an average time complexity of 1. This means that, on average, adding an element to the end of the list takes a constant amount of time. However, the worst-case time complexity is n, where n is the number of elements in the list. This occurs when the underlying array needs to be resized. Code example. In the above example, we're appending a varying number of items to an array and measuring the time it takes to perform the operation. As the number of items increases, you may notice that the time to append also increases, indicating a linearly slower performance. Alternative approaches. Use collections.dict. If you need to frequently add or remove items from both ends of the sequence, consider using collections.dict instead of a list. Appending to a dict remains 1, on average. Allocate space in advance. If you know the maximum number of elements you'll need, you can pre-allocate space for the list using list.reserve, to minimize the need for resizing. Conclusion. While Python's list type is versatile and convenient, it's crucial to be aware of the potential performance impact when appending objects, especially in scenarios with a large number of elements. Consider the alternatives mentioned above based on your specific use case to ensure optimal performance. ChatGPT.